Hola amigos, hi friends. We are here celebrating the Spanish heritage in this country. The heritage in Spanish we celebrate here from September 15 until October 15. I choose Colombia because it's part of the Hispanic culture. We speak Spanish. Colombia is located in South America. And we have this flag with three colors: yellow, blue, and red. Amarillo, azul, y rojo. Let me show you something. We produce a lot of coffee, café. It's so delicious. And we packing the coffee in this bag we call saco de café. What about the music? We have a lot of music, especially we use this kind of instrument, maracas, to celebrate many parties in Colombia. We have this kind of dress we call poncho. It's like a blanket. We cover a little bit when the temperature is a little chill. Usually, my country is very hot. The temperature is very hot. For that, we trying to wear something to cover and wearing this kind of hat. And we love the color in everything. For that, we put a lot of color in purses, in shoes, in dresses, in everything, because we love it to see everything with colors. What about the music? For example, this kind of dress is called, with a big skirt, we call faldón, because we love to dance cumbia. Cumbia is the most popular music in Colombia. How you dance cumbia? Would you like to know? Okay, let me show you. You use the faldón and you use a lot of your hips and sometimes the shoulder. For example, if you want to use the faldón, you need to use that kind, and you are moving to the one place to the other place with your hips and shake a little your shoulder. So, and then if you want to turn, you could turn around. And we are enjoying the time. We say "Epa," because we love to dance. Thank you for watching me and let me share my culture with you. Adios.